Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how we can convert this delimited data to rows. We can always do text to columns, but how we can transpose this data into rows. So what we have to do is to convert this data to a table, format it as a table, and then we can just simply put it in Power Query and uh, split it to rows. So I have formatted the data into a table, and then from the data tab, table from table range. So it will open it in a Power Query window, which is totally separate from Excel, and will load the copy of the data in it. So simply what we have to do is to right click on the data we want to split, and then choose split column by delimiter. It will open a dialog box. Choose the delimiter which it has automatically picked, in my case comma, and then advanced options, and then rows. Click on rows and then click OK. So it has automatically converted the data from one single cell into rows, and have put repeated the department column for each corresponding name. So it is all done. What we can do is simply close and load table existing worksheet. I'm just putting it in here. So here we got from this to this. So the amazing thing is I have got another couple of departments which I will just copy and paste and bring them into the table, and just come here, right click and refresh, and it all comes down here. And with this data you can easily insert a pivot table and find out the information for each department. So for example, I just inserted a pivot table, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the department in rows and employees in the values section. So now I can simply sort largest to smallest and can easily find how many people are in each department. So just imagine, from this data which is converted to rows, and even you can add as many rows as you may want, and simply right click and refresh, and you will have your data converted to rows. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.